In this video, I'll quickly explain how the new to-do list widget works, which replaces the to-do list tab that we previously had next to the agenda. To activate the to-do list widget on your dashboard, go to the widget settings, click on the icon, and disable 2 of them. Remember, there is space for 6 widgets, but the to-do list takes up 2 spots, so you'll need to disable 2 lower priority widgets to enable the to-do list. Once you've done this, click Save, and the to-do list widget will appear on your dashboard. We've made several improvements, and now the list is divided into personal and checklist. The personal section contains all the tasks you've created, which used to be in the tab next to the agenda. Now, they're all available here. You can access the calendar to assign a due date to your tasks or items in the to-do list if you want to set a time limit. You can also drag and drop any of your actions directly into the calendar, which is a handy feature for planning and also for time tracking, if that's relevant for you. Additionally, we've incorporated a checklist function. In each task, there is an option to open checklists, and here you have consolidated access to all checklists available in your tasks. To keep it scalable, we've added a search feature. If you want to search for checklists by project or task, both search options are at your disposal.